Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your health with Aetna, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To protect your health with Aetna, start by visiting the Aetna website. Once on the home page, navigate to the members section. Log in using your member credentials. If you don't have an account, click on register to create a new one. After logging in, explore your plan details to understand your coverage. Look for preventive services covered under your plan. These services may include annual checkups and vaccinations. Next, locate the provider network in your area. Use the Find a Doctor tool to search for in-network healthcare providers. Contact your chosen provider to schedule an appointment. Before your visit, check the necessary paperwork, like insurance cards. Keep track of your medical history and any prescription medications. After your appointment, review the claims process on your Aetna dashboard. Ensure that all services rendered align with your plan benefits. If you have questions about your coverage, contact Aetna's customer service. Take advantage of wellness programs offered by Aetna. These programs may include health coaching and nutrition workshops. Consider using the Aetna mobile app for easy access to your information. The app allows you to track claims, find doctors, and manage prescriptions. Regularly monitor your health goals through the Aetna platform. Stay informed about any changes to your benefits or coverage. Lastly, make routine appointments to keep your health in check. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.